So, my dear students, ICSE students, how are you? So, today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name would be Excretory System. So, excretory system, what do we mean by excretory? Basically, it means unwanted waste being thrown out. So, excretory system in a human body. So, human body. Are you a human being? Yes, sir. I am a human being. Do you consume food? Yes, sir. Do you take oxygen? Yes, sir. So, basically, when we consume food, there is a process called nutrition. This is taking place. When we take oxygen, there is a process called respiration. You are aware of this, dear children? Yes, sir. So, the body uses the food and unwanted stuff is thrown out. How? That is what is the subject matter today. So, let us begin. So, we are discussing about excretory system. Now, dear children, we may use excretory organ. Now, what is the name of the organ? Any guess? And we also have accessory excretory organ. So, accessory means those organs who are not the main organ, they are helping the main organ. Okay. So, 80% to 90% job is done by the excretory organ, 10% by the accessory excretory organ. So, you must know the names. Kidney, have you heard kidney? So, kidney is your main excretory organ. What do you know about kidney? There are two kidneys. Okay. So, you are aware that there are two kidneys. They are dark red in color. You have to write this to get marks. So, dear students, the kidneys, they perform the major role. What is the major role? The major role is metabolic waste in the body is excreted out. Metabolic waste can also be called nitrogenous waste. Slowly I will explain you how this word came, from where we got nitrogen. Also, excessive salt from the body is thrown away. Urea is thrown away. Now, how this urea is formed? How? That I will also explain. Just slowly build your concept. We all pass urine. Okay? When we tell the teacher, ma'am, can I go to toilet? So basically you go and you urinate. So there is a special name for that. Are you aware of the name? Please keep on thinking, I'll let you know. When we talk about accessory excretory organs, basically we are discussing about liver. What does the liver do? That we need to know. We are talking about lungs. Now, lungs, they deal in throwing out carbon dioxide. Sir, what does liver do? Okay, wait. Skin. Skin is also an excretory organ, but accessory, okay, not the main. Sir, I know that we sweat a lot. So, excessive sweating. Do they also excrete something? Yes. Can you guess? If not, don't worry, wait for the time. I'll let you know. Large intestine. So, large intestine also helps in excretion. So, dear students, we stopped today. Just wanted to give a brief introduction. So, what have we studied today? Today we have studied the meaning of excretion. So, what exactly we mean by excretion? Come on, you need to write. So, what are you going to write? Removal of metabolic waste. So, these metabolic waste, what are these metabolic waste? Excess of salts and excess, anything of excess is bad. Excess of water from the body. So today we will stop here. So we have learnt the meaning of excretion, excess of salts, metabolic waste, also known as nitrogenous waste. So we'll go slowly, and one thing which you should also know, that when we pass urine, this process is called micturition. MICTURITION. You will get this question in the fill in the blanks. So we will go slow, we will go steady. I love you all. Take care. Bye bye.